Hey everyone, Zesty here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to make some quick and delicious baked oats. I made two different flavors with the same base or batch, banana blueberry and chocolate banana. This recipe yields 4 small portions. You can use ramekins like I did, muffin tins, or you can make a big loaf with the whole batch if you'd like. I've put the ingredients on the screen for you so that you can pause and screenshot this video or write it down. Today I'm showing you 2 flavors, but they both have the same base to them, so we'll start off with that. And just a quick note, you can use any types of oats in this recipe except for steel cut oats. In a blender, add in your oats, salt, baking powder, vanilla, maple syrup, eggs, 1 ripe banana, and the riper the better. Lastly, add in your milk of choice. I like to use soy milk. Next, blend that on medium to high speed for 1 to 2 minutes until everything is incorporated and smooth. Feel free to scrape down the sides with a spatula so that everything mixes together. And you'll know when it's ready when it looks like cake batter. I'm using this base for the blueberry flavor, so I'm pouring half of the batter into these 2 greased and lined ramekins. If you're using muffin tins, make sure to line those with muffin cups. And all I'm doing here is adding some frozen blueberries to the top, and these are ready for baking. For the chocolate flavor, you'll need some cocoa powder and some chocolate chips. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the base and blending that up until it's all incorporated. Make sure to scrape the edges so that everything mixes up nicely. Now, if you want all of your baked oat loaves to be chocolate flavor, then you can add in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder to the whole batch of batter. So I only added 1.5 because I was just using half of the batter. I'm topping these with some chocolate chips, pressing them down a little bit with a spoon, and then adding a little bit more on top. These loaves need to bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is what they look like after the 20 minutes in the oven. And I'm just letting these cool for a few minutes before adding a little bit of honey to the blueberry ones. And that is it. These are so quick and easy to make, and they are perfect for breakfast. Here's what they look like inside. They are super moist and delicious. Thanks for watching this video. If you've liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks again. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.